The team, led by Professor Liu of Hsinchu University, designed and fabricated magnetic multilayer films in the form of racetracks where the thickness of films had a slope. Due to DM interactions, many skyrmion bubbles could be created and driven into directional motion by an applied electric field in the presence of a certain out-of-plane magnetic field. The researchers demonstrated that many skyrmion bubbles can be created and directionally displaced by about 10 micrometers by applying a voltage as low as 9 volt in a repeatable manner. The team demonstrated the repeatability of chiral domain wall motion driven by a voltage, as well as the possibility of using the electric field in